What's up YouTube, this is Dirty Berry and I'm going to be talking about Alkaline's new song called Impact. Now this is not going to be a regular Dutty lyrics where I analyze the content of the song. I'm going to do something a little bit more artistic and I'm going to try to reenact and bring the lyrics to life in some poetic dub poet type of style. So let's go, Dutty the Poet. I really need to do better with my intros. Impact by Alkaline.
Wait,
leave me like all my glass. Shit. How someone are going like them don't want to give homage to the data boss? Look how much of them money I'm help. Look how them a buy my style and them can't even buy me a clocks. Me don't worry about the charts. Me don't worry about some little man where I try this and them so get lost. What you see and what you get. I'm not a facade. Always create moment. We not living on a past. From me little, me say anytime me get in, I have to make an impact. Set the thing so when me get the youth, them priest say, Daddy, you think shot. Enough man get a chance and laps. I don't believe in that. Man a pre-foundation youth, lot and lot. When the thing shot, it have to make an impact. Not for them when you say I chat them on nobody. A years we are taking to them, I don't want they. Remember the days when we have to stay in the valley? Now the jacket and the glasses like a valley. Can't get way out, we're in. Sorry. Well, that is it, people. Oh, Jesus Christ, me a bun up. Look how me I sweat. If you like the video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. You like it, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me at TheDuttyBerryShow on Instagram, on Facebook, on Snapchat. And you can email me at TheDuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Peace out, take care until next time. No, somebody needs to go bed. Wow.